Motoposh Boss 125cc cash price. 45,000 pesos monthly installment, no down payment. 36 months 2,544 pesos 24 months 3,260 pesos 12 months 5,405 pesos Available colors: red, black, blue, and yellow. Specifications: Model Motoposh Boss 125 Engine 125cc Motoposh brand, 4-stroke, 1-cylinder displacement 125cc Fuel system Carburetor system Gear shift pattern 4-speed non-rotary front tire 2.5 17 rear tire 2.75 17 Fuel tank capacity 4 LTRs Clutch type double typedry weight 88. Motoposh Philippines. Motoposh, the Philippines' leading motorcycle dealership with over 300 branches nationwide. Office hours Monday to Saturday 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Sunday. Closed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Godbless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.